Nagsayaw daw sila Yaren. Can you show us what did you dance?
Wait, but I need to open her circle.
What is the sound?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yes, but I know what is her circle.
Oh, may sila you sing daw.
Hi, yes. Wait, but I forgot now.
You forgot, no?
Wait. Can we do the dance? Bizim Türk'üm, bizim çocuklar. The Turkey. But it's not so many, but bizim Türkiye'm. But I don't know.
I will ask Daddy. I will ask Baba. O Zaman. I will ask Baba. Do you want me to ask Baba? Wait. I will ask Baba what is the title. Give me the phone. I will call. Do you know the title of the song? Oo. O Zaman, I have to ask Baba because Baba know the song.
Yes.
Yeah. Hold on. Marunong na tumawag sa tatay niya, oh. Tingnan mo, marunong na, oh. Tinatawagan niya yung tatay niya. Hold on. Girl. You have to tell Baba what music is that, ha? Tomorrow, merong program sila Barbie. And, kailangan nakapants sila. Ewan ko kung pants ba talaga or... Pants ba sabi?
Pants. Pantalon.
Pantalon, hindi yung palda tapos tight?
Hindi daw sila nag-accept ng etek, pero sabi daw nila etek. Ay, sabi daw nila pantalon, hindi daw etek. Kung pwede etek, sabi daw ni teacher, ipapagi daw kami ng etek.
So, pantalon talaga?
Yes.
So, we have to look for Barbie's pants, black pants. It should be black. Meron kasing maraming klase pantalon si Barbie dito. Let's find...
Ano yung Spanyol?
Why?
Because Spanyol have turunjo paint.
It's okay, I'll paint it with black.
Mami, that's not pantalon, it's Spanyol. It's a pantalon.
Asan yung mga... Ang dami mong black pants, ha? Where is your black pants?
Yung pag-anto chisgi, Mami.
Guys, kailangan nila Barbie ng sapatos. Is either black or clean shoes. Kaya tingin-tingin lang tayo ng mga sapatos since wala rin naman talaga si Barbie ng sapatos na maayos. Everything is small for her. Tingin-tingin lang tayo kung merong magustuhan. What? That's not good, anak. We will just look kung meron bang maganda. Kasi this one don't have brand, tapos ang mahal-mahal. Buti sana kung wala siyang brand, pero...
This is for big.
Yeah.
Mami, gusto ko
Pero sakto lang.
Yung ganto. Yung ganto siya, pero igaganto mo.
Yeah.
Walang heels.
Adi. Ang ganda ng skirt. If only Gunnar will gonna allow me to wear that. Oh my gosh.
Bye-bye.
So, andito pala kami sa LC Waikiki. Bangs, ano yan? Si Bangs girl. Ano ba yung ngiti ako ng ngiti? Mayroon pala akong lipstick. Shoes ang titignan namin for Barbie. Hadi. Tingin tayo ng mga damit dito. Ang mamahal na kaya ng mga damit dito. Grabe. Talagang magugulat ka talaga sa mahal. Katulad nito. This one is 500. Tapos ang nipis-nipis niya. Tapos sale pa yan, ha. It was 800 before. How much is this here? This one is 400.
What one?
Ang cute naman. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this one is so cute. Oh my goodness.
Mommy, look, there's more.
Yeah.
Ito yung mga gusto.
Pagka ganito, katulad niyan, tinitignan ko kung ano yung gusto ko. Tapos sa internet ko in-order kasi mas mura sa internet, guys. Yeah, dahil may coupon siya. Itong mga ganito. Ang cute ng mga ano.
Oh my gosh, Mom, let's see the shoe. There's no shoe.
The shoes is not there. Oh, it's not here. Maybe it's upstairs. Pang 1. This one is 230. What about? Tingin-tingin lang muna tayo. Total, nandito na rin naman tayo eh. This one is for the guy. For the boys.
Mommy, let's see also pantalon for me. Pantalon.
Pantalon.
Pantalon.
Let's see. They're so cute. Oh my gosh, they're so cute.
Oh, you have like these.
Yeah, I do have like that. Come on, come here. Alam mo, ang dami nang may suot ng ganyan. I saw it in your rehearsal. Yeah, in your school.
What's her?
You remember, Beza gave you like this. Binigyan sila ng ganito yun ni Beza. Anong mga shoes? White shoes dapat.
Super white?
I think this one. Hindi maganda yan, anak. Madumihin yan eh. Ang dumi din nito. Tingin-tingin kami ng shoes, guys. Wala namang magagandang shoes dito, oy. Do you like anything? It should be white, a clean shoes, or a black one. Ito lang yung shoes na meron sila dito. This is the only shoes they have. Yeah. Barbie, we're gonna buy the one that you need right now.
Ito, mommy.
Sia, ma. That one? You don't like white? Yeah, that is so cute. What size is that one? It's size 31. You should look a bigger size. Like a 32 or 33. Because your shoe size is 32 na.
32?
Yeah.
Wait, can I try this?
Guys, this one is nice. This and this one is nice. I like it.
This one.
Yeah, and this one also.
Yes.
I like it.
You can't buy it.
Eh, ang kailangan nila, I think, white shoes. I don't know if, basta clean shoes daw eh.
Wait, where's the that I see?
Yeah, this one is really nice. I like it. That one. The pink one. The one that you chose. Nag-message na yung teacher niya, kailangan daw white. Eh, meron naman si Barbing white shoes. We will just clean it. But, since we are, pardon. Since we are here, is bibilang ko na lang siya ng shoes. I told her to choose one shoes. Yeah. How do you choose one? For me, this one is nice. This one,
But
and
I
then,
really like this one, and then the pink.
yeah, this one also.
But I can pick only one.
Ang ganda.
I can pick only one.
Yeah. You have to choose. And I'll give you time to choose. Wow, it's so cute. Yeah, it's so cute. Ang ganda. You are size 33 na Barbie, not 32. Okay. What I'm going to do, Ate Barbie, I will buy you this one and then this one.
Why? You have money with ano?
Huh? So you have two shoes. Kasi gusto mo yung two, di ba?
Okay.
You like the two? But it's the same color naman. You don't want this one to be purple?
Maganda din mo yung ano eh, but kung I can taste this because they have like this. They have like this and they have like this.
Oh, you change. But the pink one is nice. This one is nice.
Yeah, I know.
It's so nice.
Wait.
How much is this? $3.99. Purple is nice.
This is bigger. What size is this?
It's inside 32.
2. What size is this?
30.
2. But why is it bigger than this?
Yeah, ganyan talaga yung ibang shoes, anak. Adi.
Wait.
Ang cute ng mga bago, mga pang bata-bata. Mga pang style ng mga bata. 300. Yeah, ito rin, oh. Look. They have like this. Hadi. Ay, ang ganda. That is nice, ate. You like it?
Yeah, I like it. Let's buy this.
Huh?
You can buy this.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy, but it's too big for you.
I know.
Sure ka ba? Guys, ang cute din nito. Tingnan nyo.
Oh, look, mommy, they have also like this.
Yeah. Ito ang cute talaga niya. And the quality is good.
And then this one, ilalagay ko sa belly.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah. Ang ganda. Ang ganda na itong pantalon na to. Oh. Ang ganda niya talaga, promise. Is it the same?
Yeah.
No, it's not the same.
Oh, yes, because there's parlor to J here.
Yeah.
But I don't have parlor.
Meron din palang ganito. Oh.
And they have like
How much is this one?
two mommy.
It's the same price. I want the shoes that is so easy for her to wear. I don't know. Yeah. Maybe next time I'm gonna look. We just look here. Mga meron din silang kasa dito. Oh. Pants for Yaren. This one I think is for only 9 to 12 months. No, that's not good. It's not good.
Look.
Oh.
But it's too scared.
Guys, I really like this one. Ang ganda niya talaga, promise. Pero hindi talaga ako makakasuot ng ganyan, girl. I cannot wear those things.
They have like
Those clothes.
Balak. Just short. Mommy, I can kasa?
No. Guys, tingin tayo ng ano nila. LC Waikiki Home.
Mommy, I hope they have that. Mommy, oh my god.
What? What is that? What is that? Kala ko kung ano na eh. Guys, alam nyo, etong place na to, ang bango-bango niya, sobrang bango niya. Sa sobrang bango niya, may hilo ka na lang.
They don't have the eyes.
Yeah, maybe we can give that a gift for kuya.
No, mommy.
As in, may hilo ka talaga sa sobrang bango. Alam mo, may mga pabangong ganun eh.
Only for me.
Yeah.
Only for me.
Yung ano, pabangong, ang bango-bango niya sa sobrang bango, nahihilo ka na. Meron ako na ano, amoy dito before. Ang bango nun eh. Kaya lang ayoko siyang bilhin. Barbie siya na ano, na pabango sa bahay.
Barbie?
Yeah. Eto, pwede mo siyang mga pang-gift. This one is nice. It's like a rainbow cup. Oh. Ang ganda. Hindi nyo lang nakikita, pero ang ganda ng kulay niya, guys. Rainbow siya, pero hindi mo halatang rainbow na rainbow talaga. What is this? This one is also cute.
Look up.
Yeah, I know.
It's pink, it's not good. İyi ki benim annemsin. Let's buy this. İyi ki benim annemsin.
Yeah. This one is nice. Home wherever I'm with you.
Can I take a picture of this?
This one, ito yung mabango.
I can smell something.
Bekle. You cannot spray it maybe because this is closed.
Yeah, it's close.
But this one is good.
I can smell. Mommy,
Maybe I'll buy it.
this.
one. Mabango to siya, guys, eh. As in, mabango talaga siya. Bilhin natin. Mabango nito. It reminds me of something. Nung pabango ko nung college, high school. I think parang aficionado. Gusto kong bilhin, pero wala na siya dito.
800 lira.
Ah, this one is good. Wait a minute, I have to take it. Come on. That one is cute also.
Pero iinit na gawin ulo ko.
No, this one is for... So that... Para nga hindi maiinitan yung ano mo eh, yung face mo. That is the goal. This one is nice though. It's nice. Yeah, it is really nice. This one is nice. Ang ganda.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, which one do you like? This or this? Ah, di ba call them? 110. I'm gonna buy it.
Mommy, but for the swimming is allure.
Yeah. I'll buy this one, guys. Ang ganda niya talaga. Grabe. Tapos ang mura niya lang. We buy this one.
Oh my god. Oh my. Which one?
This one.
This one?
Yeah.
Mommy,
But ang mahal niya.
night, mommy.
Asan? Ang ganda nito.
Which
Wow.
one? This one or this one? I think
Both. Both. Ang ganda. Guys, ang ganda nito. Tapos mukha siyang matibay. Oh. Yan, ang ganda ng ano niya, ha. Ito, oh. Ang ganda. I really like it. Ang ganda. Ang ganda nito. Pati nito. Look. Bagay na bagay ito sa summer. For summer. Let's try it. Ito, kailangan ko to eh. Kasi mainit siya, oh. Wait. Guys, ang ganda niya, guys. Oh my goodness. Look at the color. Ang ganda ng kulay. Bibiling ko na to. Gusto ko talaga siya. Ang ganda.
And then this.
Kakagaling lang namin ni Ate Barbie sa Charcy. Binilang ko si Barbie ng sapatos. Supposed to be, ang sapatos na bibilang ko sa kanya is white. Dahil nga, kailangan ng clean shoes eh. Yung teacher nila medyo strict pagdating sa mga ganyan-ganyan. Kaya nga parang ang dami nagre-reklamong mga teacher. Kasi normally yung last year na teacher nila is pwede kang magsuot ng t-shirt na hindi mo na kailangan bumili, pero kailangan pula siya, tapos merong Ataturk face. Pero ngayon, meron talaga silang specific na damit na kailangan ayun lang talaga yung susuotin nila. Hindi ka pwedeng hindi bumili. Kasi last year, guys, merong nagreklamo na nanay kasi ayaw niyang bumili ng damit for her son. Kaya, ang sabi ng teacher, okay lang kahit ano, basta kulay pula. Pero ngayon, guys, hindi talaga pwedeng hindi ka bumili. Kailangan talaga bibili ka. And what happened was, nag-message yung teacher ni Barbie, first week ng April, no, last week ng March, and then, I asked Gunner. Tapos, ang sabi sa akin ni Gunner, ang susuotin daw nila is yung sinuot nila noong October 21, which is same clothes, but different tela. And then, yung damit kasi nila ngayon, supposed to be, dapat merong polo siya. So, what happened was, nung Friday, nag-rehearsal sila Barbie, and then kinausap ako ng asawa ng kuya ni Gunner, and tinanong ako kung naka-order ba ako. Sabi ko, hindi ako naka-order, kasi nga iniisip ko, may damit na si Barbie, hindi na kailangan bumili. Yung pala, you have to buy talaga ng, kumbaga parang special, tawag nila special clothes, t-shirt. Although simple lang naman, yung t-shirt lang naman na may kwelyo dito, tapos with Ataturk face here. Tapos sabi ni Gunner, my love, mag-order ka na lang sa internet. Nung tinignan ko sa internet, nag-sale siya, parang 120 na yung tele. Pero, ang explanation sa akin nung asawa nung kuya ni Gunner is, kailangan merong malaking mukha dito ni Ataturk. Eh, yung t-shirt na yon is, dito lang meron. Sa side na to. So, kaya nag-alanganin ako. Kaya sabi ni Gunner, pupunta daw siya dito sa mayroong Charcy sa amin. And nakahanap siya doon. Nakahabol siyang bumili ng t-shirt sa class nila Barbie. So, kaya nakabili si Gunner, and then, ayun, kanina, it arrived. I don't know how much it was, but yeah, thank you. Nakabili si Gunner, and nag-message yung teacher niya, kailangan yung buhok is isang braid lang, one braid. Ayun ang problema ko. I don't know how to, braid hair. Marunong ako, pero hindi ako yung parang perfect ba. Tapos, kailangan is black shoes. Pag walang black shoes, is kailangan clean shoes. Girl, yung mga sapatos ni Barbie, 2 years ago pa yun, last year ago pa yun, hindi na kasya sa kanya. So, meron siyang shoes, binigay ni Yamor, it's too big for her. So, sabi ko, kailangan ko siyang bilhan talaga ng sapatos. Meron binigay sa kanya sapatos ni Abla, which is this one. Kulang na lang to linisin. And then, sabi ko, okay, first let's check sa Charcy, baka may makita tayong malinis-linis. Tingnan natin doon. And, nakakita naman kami, kaya lang na-realize ko naman, kung bibili ako ng white shoes na para lang bukas, offending.
But if I eat more. So he's rat.
Ah, really? You have to be careful.
Eat more. And then if I eat as the ice, this can't be.
Oh, it's careful.
This
Iit na kay Oma. Tapos, ayun nga, so sabi ko, isang beses nga lang masusot for tomorrow. Masusot naman niya, pero yung sapatos doon na white is hindi siya maganda, guys. Hindi ko siya nagustuhan, hindi rin nagustuhan ni Barbie. I don't know kung nagustuhan ni Barbie. Did you like the white shoes there? Yeah, ano siya, para siyang madumihin kasi yung ganung sapatos. So sabi ko, wag na lang yon. Kaya hindi na lang kami bumili ng white shoes for her. Offend them.
Can you tell me something?
Yes, you can tell something, but you have to chew your food first. Chew your food first before you tell something, okay? So, sabi ko kay Ate Barbie, okay, Ate Barbie, what we are going to do, I will clean the white shoes, but I will let you choose one shoes. Eto na, namili na si Barbie. Meron siya nagustuhang 3 sapatos. Tapos dun sa dalawang sapatos na yun, hindi niya alam kung ano yung gusto niya. So, sabi ko, okay, Ate Barbie, since hindi naman siya makakuha, bibilang ko na lang siya ng sapatos. Guys, ang mga sapatos dito, mahal na talaga. Yung sapatos ng kaibigan ko, si Yamur, yung isang sapatos niya is worth of 3,000 tele. Pero nag-sale yun, nakuha niya na lang ng 1,500 for 1 shoes only. Tapos yung sapatos na naman nabili ko, sakto nag-sale siya. Kaya sabi ko, okay, kukunin ko na siya ng 2 since makakatipid ako. So, alam mo yun, siyempre, alam niyo naman, para marami ka bang mabibili. Kahit mura, pero marami kang mabibili. So, that is my point. Sabi ko, tinignan ko muna yung price bago ko siya bilhin. Tinignan ko siya sa internet kung saan ako mas makakamura, kung may coupon ba sa internet. Tinignan ko naman sa internet, mas makakamura ako pag binili mo siya mismo sa shop. Depende.
If you buy banana and mommy to me a shake.
Yes.
Thank you for buying.
You're welcome. How do you eat there na? So, I got Barbie 2 shoes. Papakita ko sa inyo. I like it. Ang napili niya actually, guys, 2 pink. Sabi ko sa kanya, nag-recommend ako, Ate Barbie, if you buy 2 pink, may 2 ka ng pink na sapatos. Kailangan, the other one, you have to change it another color. Para naman, meron kang pink, meron ka ding, I don't know, if you want black, meron kang black, or meron kang purple. But she chose this one. It's so, ang ganda niya, guys. Nagustuhan ko rin siya. So, she chose this one. This one is originally 500. Naging 443, but now it's 400. So, ayan. It's so cute. Size 33. Don't talk while your mouth is full, okay? And then the next one is this one. Purple naman siya.
Yan yung pipiling ko yung pink.
Yeah. Gusto niya yung gantong pink. Kaya lang sabi ko, Ate Barbie, yun nga, you have to change it with another color para you have, ano naman, alam mo yung choices. So, ayan, she got that one. And also, binilang ko rin siya ng sombrero kasi gusto niya daw ng sombrero na white. Since yung sombrero niya before, nasukahan ko yun eh. Kasi nga, naalala ko, sila nagpa-remind sa akin kasi nung time na yun, parang inanuhan ako eh, binunutan ata ako. Tapos, alam niyo na, anesthesia, suka-suka, ganun. Nasukahan ko yun. So, ayan. Kasi kailangan nila ng cup since mainit nga bukas, mga tirik ang araw ba. And then, also, I got this one para mga disenyo sa buhok niya for tomorrow.
Can you also one?
Ha?
Can you also buy it?
Yes. And then, what else do we got?
I let you some.
Ito naman, bumili ako ng, ayan, bumili na ako ng pang-shake. Banana, uy, 2 yan. Ito, 2 banana, packet of banana.
Why is it open?
Here. And then carrots, dahil gagawin ko si Gunnar ng appetizer. And apple. Guys, napadaan kami dun sa mga gilid-gilid lang. And then nakakita ako ng palda short. 100 lang siya. So, sabi ko, alam ko hindi ko ito masusuot, pero magbabakasyon kasi kami dito. Abangan nyo yun. My sister is coming and her family. With her family. So, malayo-layo yung bakasyon na yon. So, sabi ko, for sure, Gunner will allow me. Kaya, I got this one. This one is so cute, guys. I've been eyeing this sa internet. Ang mahal nito sa internet pero different tela naman siya. Ito kasi, ano lang yung mumurahin na tela ba, kaya mura lang din siya. So, yan. I got it. And, since malamig-lamig pa ngayon, nakakita ako ng sale. So, I got this. So, I've been looking for this one, guys. Ano pa, nung bago pa lang matapos yung winter. So, yan, nakakita ako finally. And nag-sale din naman siya. Kaya sabi ko, i-grab ko na siya. Yan. Ang ganda niya, guys. Bagay na bagay siya sa suot ko. Tapos, eto rin. So, sabi ko, hindi ko ito masusuot dito sa lugar namin. Pero sa pupuntahan namin, masusuot ko siya. Tapos, sobrang ganda niya. Ang social niya, tingnan talaga, guys. Tapos, even the color. This one. Mukha lang siyang malaki, pero saktong-sakto siya sa akin.
Perfect!
Yeah, perfect. So, yeah, that's it. And also, guys, I've been wanting to buy this. So, tinanong ko sa Gunner, my love, saan ba makakabili ng ng wax? Sabi niya, hindi niya daw maintindihan yung gusto kong ipahiwatik. So, yeah, I got this one.
What is this?
Nagtanong ako dun sa gratis. Meron pala neto. Yeah. Sa Pilipinas lang nakakabili nakakita ako sa Pilipinas neto kay Mommy V. Sabi ko, la, gusto ko yun para sa mga bata. Kaya ayun, mabuti finally nakakita. No, this not for kilikili. Bumili rin ako for my kilikili.
I think this is my kilikili.
No, this is for your hair.
For me. Just for me.
Ay, ano naman to eh.
What?
Parang ganyan oh. So, it will not gonna go. Parang ano naman siya eh.
Gratis lang binawal mo. I think this is for kilikili, baby.
Gal, Barbie, gal. Ay, ayan, oh, tignan mo. Parang nag-ano yung hair niya, oh. Yung hair mo, kasi maraming taas-taas yung hair mo, eh.
Mommy,
Mommy.
I like that smirky. I think this is my kilikili for them. Yes.
Ano ba naman to? How do you use this one? This one is so sticky. Bakit sobrang ano niya? Nagwa-white siya sa hair mo.
Can you see your hair?
Oh, my hair. Wait a minute.
This is for baby. It's not for baby.
Thick wax.
Yan highest.
Dapat hindi ito ganito eh. Masyado.
Sorry.
You have to be careful.
Sorry.